Bakit mataas ang langit? Why the sky is high? Noong bago pa lamang ang mundo, ang langit ay napakamababa. When the earth was new, the sky was so low. Sinasabitan ito ng iba't ibang kagamitan tulad ng suklay, kwintas, kaldero, kawali, at kung ano-ano pa, pati na duyan. People would hang things on it. They hang their combs, necklaces, cooking pots, pans, and other things, even a cradle. Sa bukid, may isang may bahay na abala sa paghanda ng hapunan habang ang asawa niya ay nagtatrabaho sa bayan. In the mountains, a woman was cooking food for her husband. He would soon return home from town. Siya ay nagluluto samantalang natutulog ang kanyang anak sa duyan. She cooked while her child slept in the cradle. Ngunit habang siya ay nagbayo ng palay, biglang umiyak ang sanggol. But while she was pounding rice, the baby began to cry. Sinubukan niyang bilisan ang pagbabayo, pero nakahadlang ang mababa na ulap. She tried to hurry her pounding, but the low-lying sky got in the way of her pestle. Sa kanyang galit, siya'y sumigaw, "Sana hindi mababa ang langit para ako'y makatapos ng pagbayo." In her anger, she cried out, "I wish the sky was not very low, so I could finish my pounding of rice." Pagkatapos niyang binitawan ang mga salita na ito, may bigla siyang narinig na malakas na tunog at ang langit ay unti-unting tumaas. The words were hardly out of her mouth when, with a great rushing sound, the sky began to rise. At simula noon, ito ay nanatiling napakataas. It has remained very high ever since. At dito magwawakas ang kwento kung bakit mataas ang langit. This is where we end our story of why the sky is high. Ang Banawe Rice Terraces ay matatagpuan sa Banawe Province. Ito ay 2,000 taong gulang. Ito ay gawa sa kaunting kagamitan at karamihan sa pamamagitan ng kamay lamang. The Banawe Rice Terraces can be found in the Banawe Province. It is 2,000 years old. It was made with minimal equipment and mostly by hand.